Hello everyone, I'm going to tell you about Norwex's spend and get deals for December. They are fantastic, make great stocking stuffers. So first up, we have the Optic Scarf in this beautiful snake print. It's only $10 this month when you spend $99 or more. The Optic Scarf is on my purse at all times. It easily cleans our glasses, reading glasses, sunglasses, cell phone screens, jewelry, just all the things, and it does it so well without scratching, removes the grease, the grime, the lint, fingerprints, all the things. Now next up, we have a new limited edition dual-sided mitt. It's only $21 when you spend $110 or more. It has an Enviro cloth on one side and a dust-grabbing microfiber on the other. You can clean just about everything with this one handy tool. It honestly will be a snap, getting our homes ready for guests in no time with the limited edition dual-sided mitt. It is great. You can quickly clean things like furniture, right? Picture frames, the knickknacks, the blinds, the windows, like all the things that we have to go around the house and clean all the time. But let's do it without harmful chemicals. This thick, plush microfiber side attracts dust like a magnet, and the EnviroCloth side, it can be used for your deeper cleaning. You can moisten it or use a spray bottle of water and gently mist the surface that needs a little bit more attention. Just slip it over your hand and you are ready to go. I hope you enjoyed this video.